Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Halissa Dewi Purnama and I'm from Class Cultural Understanding A3. In this video, I will explain about non-verbal communication. So, what is non-verbal communication? Non-verbal communication is the communication that doesn't involve words. The types of non-verbal communication includes facial expression, gesture, paralinguistic, body language, and posture and eye gaze. So the first one is about facial expression. Facial expressions are responsible for a huge proportion of nonverbal communications. You can consider how much information that can be conveyed with expressions. It is because the look on the person's face is often the first thing we see. The facial expression like for happiness, sadness, anger, and fear are similar throughout the world. For example, like if you are happy, you usually rise and lower of mouth corners, cheeks rise, and muscles around the eyes are tightened. For example, like this. And the second one is about paralinguistics. Paralinguistic refers to vocal communication that is separate from actual language. This includes factors such as tone of voice, loudness, inflection, and pitch. For example, like if you raise your voice, it indicates that you are angry. Another example is like there is a friend that asks you, "How are you today?" And you might respond with standard response like, "I'm fine," but how you actually say those words might reveal a tremendous amount of how you are feeling. If you respond with a cold voice, with a cold tone of voice, it indicates that you are actually not fine, but you don't want to discuss about it. The third one is body language. In English, for example, like if you want to say that person is crazy, you might make a gesture like this. That person is crazy. That person is crazy. But in Indonesians, you might make a gesture like this. That person is crazy. That person is crazy. And the last one is eye gaze. In USA, for example, eye contact indicates a degree of attention or interest, influences attitude change or persuasions, regulates interactions, communicates emotions, defines power and status, and has a central role in managing impressions of others. Just like in America, in Indonesia, eye contact is also important body gesture in communications. Uh, if you make an eye contact to other person, it indicates a degree of attention or interest. If you avoid to make an eye contact, it indicates that it is a sign of embarrassment, just like it is in the West. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.